Madagascar's top court confirms that Andry Rajoelina has won the country's presidential election in December. In Bangladesh, Rohingya refugees living in camps are fearful after reports from Myanmar of clashes between security forces and an ethnic militant group. The United Nations Refugee Agency rules that an 18-year-old Saudi woman who fled to Thailand is a refugee. UN officials have asked Australia to approve her request to move there. And in Manila, thousands of Catholics join in a march with a centuries-old black statue of Jesus Christ.